What is going on? Is Ron comes in hand the Tradesman Services and Solutions, and I got some stuff I need to talk about. Might be good, might be bad. Let's go into it. So, my company has been growing pretty fast, faster than I thought it would, and one of my problems that I've always had is just prioritizing and scheduling, right? And let's back up some more. One of my problems is just putting too much stuff on my plate. I've always had that problem, even beside my business. I always take on stuff. I feel like if I have like a time slot where I'm not doing anything, I was like, okay, I gotta do something, right? I can never just relax or whatever. So with that being said, when I originally made my company, I made it to where I was going to offer, my vision was to build a team from the ground up. I was going to do the groundwork, and once I was established, I was going to build a team. So in my logo, you'll see a man that looks like a handyman, a car, a house, and a lawnmower. And my service was going to be handyman jobs, mobile detailing, mobile car detailing, and lawn mowing. Well, the car detailing never took off at all. I became busy real fast, and I never just got into it. Never even like offered my services. I bought the equipment. I just never did any mobile detailing. And then the lawn mowing picked up a little bit, but I think the apps I was using, I saw it wasn't beneficial for me. And I saw that service would have to require a lot of my time and a team for what I wanted to do. So fast forward, I use apps like Lawn Love and Lawn Starter, which are like the same thing. I think they joined together. And I dropped them because they just weren't not giving. They're a scam. They would tell me, hey, you want this lawn? It's for $25. And it'd be an acre. I'm exaggerating, but just it wasn't worth it. I remember I had this big old lawn, right? They were only offering $32. And then when I called them, I said, hey guys, I think you guys miscalculated this lawn. They said, oh, well, the most we could do is 15%. I said, 15% more? Dude, 15% more of the $34 you're trying to give me is nothing. This job is like at least, and I'm being nice, $150. And you know what? I'm being real. It's like $250 because the lawn was overgrown. No way I'm doing this for $34. So I dropped Lawn Love and I kept Green Pal. Reason why I like Green Pal because Green Pal you could tell them what price you want, but the bad side about it is that you have to bid, right? So now I'm to a point where I'm telling myself like, well, I'm not telling myself, but I'm actually looking at my business, and my handyman business is keeping me busy. So busy to where the lawn mowing side of it, because I don't have a team, I was about to hire this person, but that fell through. It's to a point where the lawn side of it, the lawn business, is more of a burden. It's just a burden. Like trying to put my lawn stuff in my truck while doing these other jobs. It's just a burden. For like, and again, if I had another person, which I hope I will get later on, I would keep this. But right now, it's just not doing it. Right now, Green Pal has locked me out of my account because I haven't done these lawns because I've been so busy with these handyman jobs. They're getting bigger. On top of that, I'm going to school to be a contractor. So I just don't have time for the lawn business no more. Especially not no app. I hate when like with Green Pal, you have like this, this rating, and my rating has kept dropping because I'm either late to do a lawn or I have to reschedule it, and that affects my score. And I'm just like, yeah, man, it's just not for me anymore. I don't like it. It's not that I don't like it. I just don't have the time. If I could find somebody that'd be designated just to do the lawns, I would do that. But I can't find people. It's hard with the position I'm in right now because I do have a second truck. I have my personal vehicle, which I first used to do my handyman, and I bought a work truck for the business. But it's hard to try to navigate all that with the person I did find. He didn't have a license. He was a good handyman and he did lawn, but he didn't have a license, and he doesn't have his own equipment, and I don't have like a warehouse where I can park the truck to where you pick it up, and I didn't want him to pick it up at my house just in case something goes bad, and then he probably try to retire, like he knows where I live at. So, and then actually there's one job he's supposed to show up to, and it was a weed pulling weeds, and it was a nice lot, and he didn't show up, and I haven't talked to him since. And so there's this other guy, but he lives like an hour away. I was like, dude, I don't think it's worth it for you to come all the way down here, I only have like 2 lawns for you to do. It's not worth it. So I think I made a decision that I'm going to drop my lawn services until I could find a team or a crew that could do my lawns. And right now, that's kind of what's happening with my handyman business. Is like I'm getting more jobs, getting more referrals. Right now, I got like 3 jobs where I have to do turning over these houses, and they require painting and flooring. I know how to do both, but I don't want to stress myself thin. So I actually got in touch with a guy I used to go to school with, and he does painting, and he's been helping out with my painting jobs because they want the whole house painted. I'm like, cool. So I got a painter. I got 2 painters on hand, and I found another general contractor who does flooring. I haven't used him yet, but I will be using him. But I have this other flooring guy who's helped me with another property, and he's about to do the flooring for the same house that the painter's gonna do. So it's like, cool. And then I know a plumber, and my brother's an electrician. I'm like, I think I got every trade. The only other trade I don't think I have on hand is like a framer, which I could do all those, but you don't want to stretch yourself thin. You want a team to make it go by faster, and that way you can take on more jobs. So I just woke up. I'm about to go get some breakfast, and then I'm about to head out to do this job, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna record that. So yeah, until I find like a team that could do lawns, because that's my vision. I want to have a lawn team, a lawn crew. I already got door hangers printed out. I got the equipment, I got the lawnmower, I got the weed whacker, I got the hedge trimmer, I got the edger, I got a leaf blower, I got 2 lawnmowers too, and 2 weed whackers. So I have the equipment, I just don't have the manpower. But maybe, I could try to put an ad out there, say, hey, I'm looking for crew members to do lawns, and pick that up and work out some numbers on how to pay them, and I'll actually make a profit too. So maybe that'd be my next thing. But I think I need to focus on my handyman business right now / contractor business, because that's what's bringing in the money. And yeah, so like I said, I'm dropping the lawn service from my business, and I'm gonna focus on getting my general contractor license and my handyman business. And in the future, hopefully I'll bring back up my lawn service. But right now, I just don't like seeing the green pile. They just notify me saying, hey, we're gonna permanently lock your account out if you don't get these lawns done. I'm like, man. And it's just a burden to go to that house, do those lawns, drop my equipment off, and I have to go and do the handyman stuff because I need to carry more material, and that lawnmower stuff takes up a lot of space in my bed, my truck. So yeah, I'm gonna drop the lawn service, or at least just drop green pal, because I just don't like those notifications. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think I should do. I need some advice. I'm just winging it out here, and the handyman's doing good, but I think I need to just focus on one trade until I get approved. So yeah, let me know.